Hey, I'm William. Today I'm going to show you how to test the shift actuator on a Maytag washer that spins but won't agitate. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll need a multimeter and a 5/16 inch socket. While you're getting those together, remember to keep safety first. Always unplug your appliance before you do any work on it to protect yourself from electric shock, which can potentially cause serious injuries.
Don't forget to turn off your water supply and unscrew your hoses from the washer. You might need a towel handy to clean up any unwanted water.
We're going to move to the bottom of the washer to test the shift actuator. To get there, you can either lean the washer back or to the left. In this case, I'm setting the washer to the left on its side so you can easily see what I'm doing. With a 5/16 inch socket, we are going to remove the belt shield bolts and set the shield off to the side. Since the shift actuator is next to the drive pulley, we need to look for a broken shift arm. If it is not broken, we can set our multimeter to the resistance setting, which has a symbol that looks like an upside down horseshoe. The wire needs to be disconnected and we need to test from pin 2 to pin 3 for resistance. If the shift motor is good, we'll get a resistance reading between 2,000 to 3,500 ohms. If the shift actuator failed testing, like this one did, or is damaged, it will need to be replaced. If it passes testing and inspection, there may be something else causing the problem. We are going to install the belt shield to get this section put back together.
Once that is finished, go ahead and put the washer back on its base. Don't forget to plug your washer back in, connect the water hoses, and turn your water supply back on.
If your shift actuator tested bad, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can repair it yourself. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. If you like this video, let us know by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.